Hey everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. I'm going through a bag of 4 weights from, these are from Sarah, and from there's a huge yarn haul. These ones I'm keeping, but the rest in the bag I'm going to show you I'm actually giving away to a friend of mine, Melissa. She makes blankets and things for babies, and she gives them away. So I thought, I'm going to give her some yarn. All right. So these are the ones I'm keeping because I have a plan for some of those other tiny ones that I showed you. I pulled out all the pink ones. So I'm going to put them with these. All right. So this is Zeller's acrylon knitting worsted. So it is 4 weight. And sorry, I've been running around here. $1.99, so it's back in the day. 100% acrylic. I'm trying to find the yardage, and I don't see any yardage, but there's 100 grams, 3.52 ounces. It's got Zeller's Limited, Montreal, Quebec, Canada. So there's 1, 2, 3 of those. Yep. And let me show you the other ones in the bag here. There's this ball here. I guess it's acrylic. So that one, like all this, the rest of the stuff I show you is going to go to Melissa for her baby blankets and things that she makes for people that need them. Okay. She doesn't charge for them, so that's really sweet of her. So we have these. These are Premier Just Yarn worsted, and I think Sarah got these from Dollar Tree, maybe. Premier Just Yarn worsted, so it's a 4 weight, 109 yards, 100 meters, 100% acrylic. So it's actually pretty soft. Pretty soft. Color is turquoise. So there are 4 of those. And let's see. I tried to keep them in order here. Okay, these are 4 weight. These are Crafter's Square, which is a Dollar Tree yarn. Correct? Oh my goodness, I think so. I'm pretty sure. Super soft yarn, and it is soft. It is. It's amazing for a Dollar Tree yarn. It is soft. 100% acrylic. Let's see, 100 meters, 109 yards. And medium 4. I don't think it has a colorway on here. But those are for Melissa. There's this one that doesn't have a label. It's kind of an orange one. I'll give that to Melissa as well. And this is a Craft Smart. That's a Michael's brand value yarn. 333 meters, 364 yards. And just making sure I'm in screenshot. I had to stand up here. Color is navy. Yeah, medium 4. These are not that soft, if you know about them. All right, so there's a couple more in here that they're Christmas ones. No labels. I'm hoping she can use those. And then there's this one. This is also a Crafter's Square, which is the same as this. Yeah, just in a white. Or off-white, maybe. And then there's this one. There's no label in this one. So I'll give that to Melissa. And I had this one from before when I got all that other yarn from Sarah last year, I believe it was. Now, the reason I have this out is because I'm going to give this one to Melissa as well. This is a Cambridge Fibers. I believe it's a 4 weight and 1 pound. But they sell these at Giant Tiger here in Canada. I think they're $8 Canadian. And you get a lot. Like it's a whole pound. Okay. So, and then there's one more. And this one is same thing, Cambridge Fibers. And it's 1 pound. Super pound, they call it. I don't know why it's super. 100% unknown fibers. And I think that might be a 4-weight or 3. Could be a thin 4. I think. What do you think? Pretty colors though, right? So I'm going to give that to Melissa. Because sometimes she makes little girls' dresses too. It just depends. Okay, what time are we at? 6 minutes? How would I do that in 6 minutes? We're going to do another bag. I'll be right back. And I'll be keeping the ones in this bag. Here we go. We have some Craft Smart Value Yarn, 364 yards, 333 meters. This color is gray, and it's a 4-weight. Yep. So I have 2 of those. Look like they're full balls. And then we have Craft Smart, another one, Value in a pink. So what is this colorway? Fuchsia. It's a pretty pink. Yes. And we have this Patons Canadiana. This is really soft. This one's 100% acrylic, made in Turkey, 205 yards, 187 meters. And it's a brown. What's it called? Stone Heather. That's pretty, right? It's like a heathered yarn. That's pretty. Yeah, 4-weight. Very soft. There's just the one. This one here, I'm not sure what this is. Anyway, and then we have a ball of pink. Where'd this come from? I guess from Sarah. And then we have some Red Heart Super Saver. 364 yards, 333 meters. It's a 4-weight. Petal Pink. It's called Petal Pink. And yep, it's a pink. I'm actually going to be making cat blankets and things. Yeah. So there's that, and there's this one. It's this is a chunky. This one says $5 on it. I don't know. Oh, and then it was marked down to, looks like 3. Where is this? Maybe it was Walmart. Not sure. But anyway, it's a bulky 5. Color is blue, soft navy. So yeah. And then there's this other Super Saver metallic. Do you see the sparkle? Ooh. Well, it's like a streamer that runs through it or around it. Yeah, it's a medium 4. Colorway is fuchsia. And 255 yards, 233 meters. Then there's this one that doesn't have a label, and I'm thinking it's also a Super Saver, maybe? What do you guys think? I think it might be. I think it is. All right. So that was 3 minutes. My goodness. I'll be right back. And this one is a Red Heart Comfort. And it has 593 meters, 649 yards. $2.99 it looks like on there. And do we have a color? We do. Shaded rose print. Shaded rose print. Pretty pinks. Okay, another Red Heart Comfort. Denim Fleck. Oh. And somebody had started a project and didn't finish, and there's a stitch marker. Yeah. That's how it looks worked up. Nice. Okay. And, let's see here. We have Patons Canadiana again. These look like they're black. Yes. Oh, one is blue and one is black. Okay, so they have, what are they? 100% acrylic. They have, how many yardages? Do you see it? Do you see it? There's a sticker on here. It's $4.49, but I think Sarah probably got it at a thrift store. 208 meters, 228 yards. And this color is navy. Navy. And then the black one is probably black. Yes, it is. Yes. Okay, we have a tweed one here with an old label. Sears. Simpson Sears. Sayel. Tweed. Knitting worsted. Dye lot. Is that an I? I don't know. And that looks like a J. 100% Orlon acrylic, made in Canada. Do we have a color? Well, it's browns and kind of whites. Light brown, dark brown, white. It's all twisted. Yeah. So it doesn't feel too bad. Squishy. Yeah. Okay, guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you as soon as I can. I got the summer top done. It's done. I'm blocking it right now. So if all goes well next week with editing and that, the video will be out, the tutorial. I'm hoping to wear it tomorrow. I hope our weather's nicer. It's a little chilly here in Winnipeg. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next week. All right? Thanks, guys. Bye.